Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional CV that you can use to apply for any jobs that you want to apply for online, all these survey websites, all these AI training websites that you want to apply for so that you get paid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a professional CV that align with any platform that you want to apply for, because I've discovered that most time many of you are creating CV the wrong way. That is why you are not getting paid online. And the truth is, I've also gotten messages, I think in two of my videos, where people were asking me to create CV for them or help them create a professional CV. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do it. Even recently, someone reached out to me directly on my WhatsApp to help him create a CV. And in this video, we are going to be creating that CV right in this video. So make sure you watch it to the very end, because along the video, I'll be giving out templates and other stuff which you can use to create your professional CV. So make sure you follow to the end and know how you can get your own template, the professional template that I use personally to create any CV that I want to create. Before we continue, if this is your first time coming across my video, my name is Solo Wise. I'm into this channel. This is about content creation, YouTube growth, and also how to make money online. So if that's something that you're interested in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, like the video, and share the video with anybody that you know that this video will be helpful to. So guys, without any delay, let's get started. So to create your CV, the first thing that I would advise you to do is to get your Claude app. Yes, Claude AI app, because I discovered that most people use ChatGPT, but for me, I think ChatGPT is not really that good when it comes to creating up CV. Yes, that's for me. So just go to your Play Store or your App Store, depending on the phone you're using, and search for Claude AI. CLAUDE AI. Then look at it here. This is it. I already installed it, so just having to see it. I already installed it. You see that for me to update it. I'm not updating it now. So let's just dive into our creating of our CVs. So this is my Claude app here. This is it. Just click on it. Wait for it to load up. Okay, so now this is it. Here, this is where I'll be placing my template. Yes, I already have a template for this, but that template, if I should give you, you make sure you edit it according to your preference. I'll be editing it in this video, so you see how to edit the template so that it can fit into any job that you are applying for. So I'll leave here right now. Let me go to any of my notes. Let me use this one. I did have my template in my clipboard. Okay, this is my template in my clipboard. So as you can see here, this is the template. The template say create my CV as a Word document using this exact format, blah blah blah. So we're not going to read it. So if you want the template, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Once you tell me you need a template, I will tell you how to get it. Just comment template in the comment section. Then I'll tell you how you can get the template. So the first thing here is full name. So I will put the person full name here. That is the person we are creating the template for. We are creating a CV for yes, CV. Then location. If you're Nigeria, I wouldn't advise you to put Nigeria, because they easily disqualify Nigerians. So I just put work remotely. Yes, that's what I put in all of my surveys, because there's now this bad image associated with Nigeria. So once you just put Nigeria, it just go like that. So over here, I'll be putting the person's email here, their phone number. Oh my God! So which number? Okay, let me just put my phone number for here because the person don't send me his phone number. I'll put my old phone number here. Then later on, I'll edit it before I send it to the person. So let you use this as a reference. 070 Don't go and call this number. It's not going to work. Oh. It's not a real number. I just formulated it. So portfolio. That is portfolio link. Just put no. Or if you have a portfolio link that if I was applying for graphic design, or that I have a portfolio link for graphic design, or that put it here. But since we're not applying for graphic design, let's just leave it here. If you have a LinkedIn account, you can put your LinkedIn link here. If you don't have, you can just put it in no. But I'll advise you to go and create a LinkedIn account. Yes, put a LinkedIn account. And remember, every CV you are creating should work according to the platform that you are trying to apply for. Yeah, so over here now, profile summary. That is who you are. Yes, actually who you are. Here we can say a professional. So let's say, for example, we are actually applying for a platform where we can do transcribing and transcript. Let's say that is a platform that you want to use the CV for. So that is what we'll put here. Maybe professional transcriber. And translator with 2 years experience. 2 years experience. Okay, now this is work history. So job title, transcriber, stroke translator. Remember, I'm using this because we are actually using it for a transcription job. But if you're looking for a graphic design job, we'll put the graphic designer, or if any job that you're applying for, we'll put in it there. So date, let's just put 2024 to 2026. 2024. Since we put 2 years here, over here, let's put 2024 to 2026. That is the 2 years. Okay, key responsibility and achievements, what we're able to achieve. So over here, I'll just put I was able to work with international clients for my company and was able to ease communication barrier. That is actually what transcribers and translators do. Communication barriers, which helps. So over here, you can just try to use your mentality to feed this place, which helps to save time. So over here, you put your degree. Our degree is, so let's say BSc in marketing, institution. I'll just put my institution here, University of Benin, and year. The year is 2026 years. Certificate and training, Jobama. I have a certificate in Jobberman. Sorry, Jobberman skill set training certificate. Certificate, yes. Volunteer, we can just put this no, or we can just leave it blank. Here, over the next one is technical skills. Technical skill we'll be putting that is transcribing, translating, translating and typing. Yeah, as say transcriber, translator, you also need to know how to type, right? That is typing. Then over here, the tools and software that you know how to use. As a transcriber, translator, you need to know how to use Google Doc, Google Docs, Google Docs. Which other one? Microsoft Word, Soft Word. Which other one? I think I say. I say. Then the next one is industrial experience. Uh, Customer relationship and strength. Strength is can see put transcribing there or translating. Being and translating. So basically that is it for this. Now we're going to just copy it since we have put everything here. Let's copy it and go back to our when copying, make sure you start from this place that says create my CV as a Word document. That's where you start from. In case I send you the link to the templates, yes, just comment templates in the comment section. I'll send you the templates. You know, copy, then we'll go to our Claude AI. I'm going to paste it here. Once you place it, there's still another one we are going to add to it, which will make it very detailed with some long write up to make it professional. Remove any blank space and you can make it up to, let's say, 3 pages. Yes, to make it very more professional, up to 3 pages. Now we are going to send it. We have the CV here, but when I look at it, it was not up to what I wanted, so I had to add this one to it separately. No, we added it to the main, to the original template we gave it. I think you now understand what we know that AI can do somehow sometimes. So I have to give it this one separately. And finally, this is what it gave us. So I'm going to be downloading it so we can check it out. So guys, this is our CV that we just created, and this is the information, professional transcriber, and blah blah blah, remote, the email here, you can see the phone number, profile. That is what is about what and profile. That is what you do, and dedicated and detailed oriented transcriber translator with 2 years of hands-on experience as it, work history, this it, education, PSA marketing, University of Benin. It's just everything. Experience, skill, and interest. So that is all. Look at how professional our CV is looking. So that is it. So if you have any question at all, drop in the comment section. And remember, if you want to my template, comment in the comment section. And I will send it to you. Thanks for watching. And if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share this video with admin that this video will be helpful to. So with that, we'll see you on the next video.